Start again. So we have GraphTalker here. I can select multiple databases, but I choose Northwind Traders. And I don't know what's in this database. So what I can ask is, please tell me what is in this repository. And what you see here on the right-hand side is all the steps that it takes. So it's doing some queries, several iterations. And then at some point, it will get back with information. So we go here. Here's a comprehensive summary, the Northwind Traders repository. It's got order details, orders, customers, products, territories, US state, region, suppliers, etc., right? So, and some employees in the database. It even shows me an ASCII art, the various relationships in the data, some other key features, and then please create a number of analytical queries in natural language only. The reason is otherwise it would instantly start creating SPARQL queries. So I just wanted to know, okay, what can I actually do with this database? And then you see that it actually creates about 40 queries that you can do with this database, right? Just from the perspective of an analyst, like what are the top 10 best-selling products by total revenue, or the customer analysis, top 10 customers by total spending, or customer order frequency, etc. You can look at product inventory analysis. You can do supplier analysis and questions about shipping and logistics, average shipping time by shipper, geographic and regional analysis, time-based trends, discount and pricing analysis, management organizational. So I could, if I give it enough iterations, I could say do all 40 queries, but let's just do query 38. Please do query 38. Please do query 38. Also create the visualization and store in the query library. And so here, excellent. Now I have all the data that I need here. The results, orders per employee per month, workload distribution, key insights. I'll create a horizontal bar chart showing the average orders per month for each employee, blah, blah, blah. Would you like me to store this query visualization in the query library? I already told it that I could do it, but actually I have an instruction that it always to ask me before it stores things in the database. Because before you know it, your query library has thousands of queries. So it said, okay, the query was stored successfully. Now it's working on the visualization. And now it says visualization stored successfully. So now I can go to the query library and I see orders per employee per month, right? It works so. And what you see here is the title, the URL. So, and the cool thing is all the queries are actually also in AllegroGraph, and all the explanation of the queries and the visualizations all stored in the knowledge graph itself. And so here's the URI of the query in the database. This is the SPARQL query that we did. And then this is the description of how the query actually works, which is very, very useful, especially when this is in the vector store that stores all the descriptions of the queries. And then here's the horizontal bar chart with employee workload distribution, average orders per month, right? With an analysis of what you're actually seeing in this picture. And so yesterday, I guess I did this query already, right? Top revenue generating employees, probably the same, almost the same data, right?